I'm Jacob Lear, and I did this presentation on chi-square. And the chi-square is actually a test. So what is the chi-square test? And I found this definition online and I kind of liked it. It says, chi-square is a statistical test commonly used to compare observed data with data we would expect to obtain according to a specific hypothesis. And that's kind of confusing if you just look at it there. So it's easier to explain with an example. So if you had a die and you tossed it 1,000 times, you would expect each side to be about a sixth, right? So, or the probability of each side would be a sixth of 1,000. That's how many times you roll it. So that is like your hypothesis then would be that you'd get each side a sixth of the time. But then when you actually rolled it 1,000 times and found out how many it was on each side, that'd be what you observed. And a chi-square test is a way to see if those results agree with each other, I guess. And for it to work, the events have to be independent of each other, and like on a dice, they are independent because the rolls aren't determined by the roll before it. The guy who came up with this was Carl Pearson, and he published